What's going on, guys? Welcome to Super Tesla. Today we got a really cool update for the Model 3, update number 2020.24.6.9. I know it's confusing, all these numbers. So we got a backup camera improvement, which now you can see the repeater cameras on both sides. So I'll show you guys that in a little bit. Up next, we have Dashcam viewer improvements, which they added a red dot to show you what triggered the event. So when Sentry Mode is on, you don't have to go through the whole video and try to figure out where it was. So that's pretty cool. Then we got some tune-in improvements, and they added the ability to adjust playback up to 2 times or 2x. Walk-away door lock improvements, which I did enable. So basically you can have it set to where the car doesn't lock when you're at home. Like, for example, when I'm parked in the garage, I don't really need it locked. And then we got some new language support and cabin camera. Now if you want to give data sharing to Tesla, you do have that option. And then these are some older updates which I don't think I've showed in the channel. We have improved GPS, and we've got the game Fallout Shelter. I'm hoping maybe in the future, if there are like break-ins, they're able to use that cabin camera to record inside the car. That would be something really cool. Okay, so there are 2 ways to use the new backup camera. You can either put it in reverse, and you can see the icons there that show the 2 repeaters. And then the cool thing is that you can put the car in park, and if you go into your camera option here, you're actually able to set it like that. Now you can push this button here, or it's not a button, the screen, and it'll get rid of them, or you just tap it and it'll display them. I kind of like this view right here a lot better. It lets you see the blind spots, so whenever you're gonna use the blinker, you can have this running. Now it would be really cool that when you set the blinker, it turns this on and you still have the map up here. That would be a really cool update. Okay, so the other thing they did was they upgraded tune-in, which before this was on the right side and Spotify was in the middle. So they switched that around, and haven't really played around with it much, but now it has your new episodes up here. And popular stations in your area, that's new. Okay, so the next update is the Sentry Mode viewer, which you have a red dot here, and this is a trigger that I did. I think I went... Okay, there we go. So it's record. I don't want to bore you guys to like 40 seconds of nothing being recorded, but we can like switch around. This is one of my favorite updates, the Sentry Mode. Oh, there it goes. That was me walking by, and the video started over. So yeah, pretty much you have that indication now that shows you when the actual thing was triggered. And I should be passing by. There we go. Of course, wearing my mask. Alright, and the final update is walk-away door lock. Now you can exclude the home. Alright guys, so those were all the updates we got in this software update. I do have to run some errands, and you guys can tag along. I'll set up the autopilot, but it's only city streets, so we'll see if we get a red traffic light or not. I do want to mention, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. It means a lot to me. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so thank you guys. Enjoy the video.